Hi, welcome. In this video, you are going to learn about AI. So, what is AI? I have a simple explanation, and in this video, I'm going to break it down for you. No complicated words, just the truth about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the full form for AI, and what it means smart technologies that can think and learn like humans. It is much faster than a human, though, and also it understands and decides. Imagine a computer that can understand, decide, and also even create like a human being. It can process information, make choices, and also improve over time. How does it work? Looking at patterns, following instructions, improving over time. This is how it works. For instance, you can see this image here. It looks at the images of whatever you give it, then it will understand what that is. Also, AI works by following instructions. You tell it to check grammar and it fixes your writing. And AI in your phone learns the words you use the most and it suggests them automatically. Where do we see AI every day? Well, if you use Google or YouTube, AI shows you the best search results. If you use WhatsApp and X, AI helps you detect spam and suggests followers. If you do online shopping, AI recommends products based on what you like. Now, will AI take over jobs? AI makes work faster and easier. That's a fact. It also removes boring, repetitive work. People can focus on more important things with using AI. AI will not take jobs, but people who know how to use AI will. So, how can you use AI to make money? Well, if you are into writing, you can use AI to write blog posts, ebooks, or content creation and sell them. If you are a graphic designer, you can use AI to create logos and designs for clients. If you are into video creation or editing, you can use AI to edit videos faster and also offer services online. Fact is, AI is here to stay. It's not going anywhere and it's not in the future. It's now. You have two choices. You can ignore it and get left behind, or you can learn it and stay ahead. The choice is yours. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.